Alright, welcome everybody. We got the 2013 Rookies and Stars break here. There we are, sealed all the way around. Okay, and I am going to show you guys your names here. We got one Red Baron, twice RC Productions once, Elbeck once, Travis once, Puffa once, W Dunda once, and DB Hulk once. So we're going to go 5 times on these ones. Here we go. After 1, we got WD on top. 2, we got Hulk on top. 3, Travis on top. 4, Elbeck on top. And 5th and final, DB Hulk. So we're going to get these and bring these over to our Excel sheet. Here we go. There we are. There's your guys' names in there. Now I'll go back to determine those divisions. Here we go. Divisions, AFC East all the way through NFC West. There we are. And 5 times on these ones also. After 1, we have NFC West on top. 2, AFC West on top. 3, NFC West. 4, NFC East. 5th and final, AFC West on top. Get these in your divisions, and here will be your guys' divisions. So we'll go through them real quick. DB Hulk, AFC West. 1 Red, AFC South. RC, AFC East. Travis, NFC East. Elbeck, NFC West. 1 Red, NFC South. WD, AFC North. And Puffa with the NFC North. There we are. Back to our box here. We've got to get you a time. We'll get you that time right now. It's 6:03, Thursday, April 3rd. Now it's 6:04. So here we go. Again, all the cards from this box will be shipped, so everyone should be getting a card. And here we go. Again, there's not a guaranteed hit in here, but let's hope for a hit. Again, I think there's going to be 80 cards. Yep, 80 cards in this box. So here we go. There's all our packs. Show you that empty box. There we are. Okay, and on to our packs. Again, there's not a guaranteed hit, but we can see if we have a thicker pack anywhere. I'm not seeing any thick packs. Maybe that bottom one is, but we'll not see any thick ones off the top of my head. So let's go ahead and start. Right, push those back a little. Here we go. Again, all cards are shipping. Brandon Marshall, Deshaun Jackson, Demarius Thomas, Sam Bradford, game plan insert of Ray Rice. There we are. We have a Travis Ketchel, MJD, Steven Jackson, Jimmy Graham, AJ Green, and a kids report, just insert card there. Next pack, here we go. Up next we got a Drew Brees, Charles Tillman, Ben Roethlisberger, Alfie Morris, insert of, well, Ray Rice again. Ray Rice with a different insert this time. Touchdown Club. Got a rookie of D. Mindler. Tony Romo up next. Jamal Charles. Torrey Smith. Hakeem Nicks. And the kid report again. Alright, 6 more packs to go. Up first, we got a Peyton Manning, Marshawn Lynch, T.Y. Hilton, Matt Ryan, Justin Blackmon, maybe a numbered card. Let's see. Not a numbered card, but it does got a little bit of shine to this one, a little bit different card there. Not sure if you can see that. There we go. Justin Blackmon. We got a Matt Barkley rookie there for the Philadelphia Eagles. Chris Johnson, Cameron Wake, Fred Jackson, Bilal Powell, and the kid report. 4 more to go. 5 more, excuse me. 5 more to go. Here we got Jonathan Dwyer, Matthew Stafford, Tom Brady, Jay Cutler, Michael Vick, Mingo rookie for the Cleveland Browns, Mark Sanchez, DeQuell Jackson, Colin Kaepernick, Randall Cobb, and the kid report. So now we got 4 packs to go. So here we go. Halfway done. Again, let's hope we can get a hit card in here. Okay, we got a Justin Blackmon to start this one off. Julio, Marcus Colston, Andy Dalton. We got a Desmond Trufant rookie. There we go. Not numbered on that one. Kewan Bunner, Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson, Vincent Jackson, Ray Rice again. Kid report. Okay, 3 more to go. We got a Percy Harvin. Oh, there's going to be a hit in this one, I believe. Reggie Wayne. So a hit will be going to someone. Carson Palmer. Timmy Tebow. 2003. Okay, we got Rob Gronkowski insert NFL Nation. We have a Jarvis Jones rookie card. Oh, I thought there was a hit. I guess there isn't in this one. I saw a thick card. We got Mike Wallace, CJ Spiller, Santana Holmes, Josh Freeman, and NFL report. I thought I saw a thick card in that pack. I guess not. Just a few cards so they're stuck together. So here we go. Okay, we have a Greg Jennings, Jonathan Franklin, Darren McFadden, Jason Witten, and we have an E.J. Manuel. Here we go. Crusade there, nice hit. Crusade, those actually sell pretty well. Not a numbered card. But there we go, we got the Crusade of E.J. Manuel rookie card. Nice looking card there. Congrats to the AFC East. There we go, nice hit with that E.J. Manuel. Again, those Crusade cards are actually sell pretty well. So we got a Sam Montgomery, we got a Trent Richardson, Antonio Gates, Jordy Nelson, Kenny Britt, and the kids report. Last pack, here we go. Des Bryant, Frank Gore, Arian Foster, Larry Fitz. We got a insert of Matthew Stafford. Then we got a Mike Gillespie. We have a Holly. We got a LaShawn McCoy, Wes Welker, Darnell Richardson, and rookie report. So that'll do it for this break. Again, every card from your division will be shipped out. And again, congrats to the AFC East on the E.J. Manuel. There we are. So thank you all for joining, and I'll get this uploaded soon. Thanks.